Well, this is the new look. It's darker and shorter, and today I just really felt like a change. All dressed up and nowhere to go except the kitchen because there's a lot of baking to do for these guys. Dressed up and nowhere to go except the kitchen. I have a lot to do in there, lots of baking. I'm baking our usual croissant chicken pies, except in the shape of hearts. We'll do some treats as well for dessert, so we better get moving. But first, I want to do some decorating. So I want to give my focus to the pies, so I'm not going to be making any cakes from scratch today. Just want to ask these guys which ones they prefer. Guys, chocolate or birthday cake?
Sorry?
Chocolate or birthday cake?
Oh, chocolate always.
Yasmin?
Yasmin, chocolate or birthday cake? Chocolate cake or birthday cake? She said birthday.
Oh gosh.
Nah is my kid, so. We're brown, chocolate is brown, it just makes sense.
Oh my god. Okay, let's use that logic. Okay, it's time to make those chicken pies. I'm gonna mold them in the shape of hearts today. I usually use a number of different things to make the crusts or the outside of the pie, but today I want to make them croissant style because they're kind of a family favorite. So I'm just using these Pillsbury croissant rolls here, and I have my pan ready to go. I'm going to spray this down and start molding the heart shape only after my mixture is ready, which will be made out of chicken. I already have the soy sauce and of course the garlic on there and some veggies. This is what I used to find in the fridge. These were frozen, already defrosted, and I have onions and red peppers over there, and we're gonna start with the chicken. What are you saying, iPad? Okay. Okay, time to learn your ABCs. takeaway for the neighbors from the Syeds. Well, that's our Valentine's, guys. Hope you're enjoying yours, but we're gonna get to those pies and those treats.